If you want to connect control devices from your computer COM port, then here is a project for you. It has got many applications. Let me introduce you first what this project is like. It has got 8 relays. All these relays are controlled by a microcontroller, and this microcontroller gets command from the computer COM port. What you have to do is you have to give command from the computer people. It has got varieties of applications such as home automation. You can control devices of your home from your computer. Street light management. You can manage street lights through this. Industrial control. You can control industrial applications by using this device. Grid control. Now electrical grid can also be controlled through this. Load shedding. You know what is load shedding? Every now and then we see the power is being cut in one part or other part of the city. So that is a manually. That can also be done through this device. Robotic control. If you want to have robotic control, that is also possible through this device using COM port. Also can control electronic, pneumatic or hydraulic valves. So I can say anything you want to control using this device, anything you want to actuate through computer is possible through this device. These are the few applications area. I can say not few. There are so many applications which you can think of. Anything you want to switch on, switch off from your computer COM port, that can be done by this device. Now this device is suitable from starting from an electrical diploma to MSc IT, BSc IT, BSc Computer Science, MSc Computer Science, BE Electronics, as well as electrical engineers. Anyone can use this device. Now, electronic and electrical people can assemble the hardware and control this hardware using hyperterminal. Hyperterminal is the application available with all the Microsoft operating systems. So they don't have to write any codes for their PC. But other people who has computer background can write their codes in VB if they don't want to use hyperterminal. So they can make a good front end and write their own code. I'll give example. Suppose you wanted to control a robot. You wanted robot to dance. Write a program in such a way that this relay become actuated in a particular fashion that robot appears to be dancing. Similarly, street light control. You want to switch off light at 6 o'clock and switch on light evening at 6 o'clock. Do it. Write a program. Your computer has got a clock. Use that clock and write a program so you can use this application. Not only that, you can use this application. You can use the device locally from your computer. You can also control this device using number 1, dial-up network. As I explained you earlier, hyperterminal is available with all the computers. That is locally you can do it. Also locally you can write software and control it. Otherwise you have a dial-up network. You can also control these devices using from internet. Suppose your computer is connected with a server, so you can control these devices from the internet. You can also control these devices using SMS from your mobile phone. So there is now end to the software. You can write n number of software. You can control the devices locally as well as remotely. And I have given these few names to this device, such as load shedder, street light management and controller, home control, home office management from the PC, power grid control, and you can give whatever name you want to use. The name will depend upon where you are using this. So be standby to have a live demo on this project. First of all, we'll have to switch on the hyperterminal. This hyperterminal is a window application available with all the operating system. Go to the accessories and you have a communication and then hyperterminal. In hyperterminal you have a window like an hyperterminal exe. Click it. And then you can give it any name like my terminal. Click OK and select your port where it is connected. Direct to COM1. OK. Select baud rate 9600. Data bits 8, parity none, stop bit 1 and flow control none. Click OK and then this is connected. By the time you must connect this communication cable to this device and also your computer and then connect power supply to this device. When you connect power supply to the device, you get message on your computer to switch on off load 1 to 8 press keys from the PC keyboard. That means 1 to 8 keys from the PC keyboard will switch on the load. Press S for previous status. S. Remember this is small s. If you press small s, it will give you status. Right now all the loads are off, so it is showing off. If I press 1, load 1 is on. You can see the red the LED indication. Now this indication is a power supply indication that power is plugged in, and this indication shows that this relay is on. Similarly, if you press 2, number 2 LEDs or relay becomes on. Also this if you want to switch off previously switch on LEDs relay, just press it again, that will go off. And if you press S, it gives you the status that except load 2, all the relays are off. Similarly, you can switch on other relays also. You can switch on all relays and see the status, it will show all the relays are on. Similarly, you can switch off some of the relays and all the relays are off. Now one important feature of this device is the status remains as it is even you remove the cable. But pressing any key from the keyboard is not going to accept any command. So even your PC is off, switched off, the status will remain same. So this is a standalone device. Only thing it requires command from the PC. Again, when switch on, when you connect the plug and you can give the command, as for the previous status, it shows load 4 and 5 is off. So you can switch on load 5 and switch as well and see the status. Load 3 is also off, so you can switch on the load 3 also and see the status. So this is a simple demonstration using hyperterminal. Now this project comes with the hardware only given, comes with the CD which has got complete detail how to configure hyperterminal in your PC.